Now we will study a problem of orthographic projections. Carefully observe given 3D pictorial view. Observe each and every dimensions of a given pictorial view. Draw its three view: front view, left hand side view, and top view. Now first prepare the frame for front view. For front view we have to prepare a rectangle of which the horizontal length is 80 millimeter and the vertical line named as a height of 45 millimeter. Then draw the frame for top view of which the length is 80 millimeter and width is 50 millimeter. Now we have to draw frame for left hand side view. The frame consists of width 50 millimeter and height 45 millimeter. Draw this height of 45 millimeter. Then try to check the alignment of a left hand side view with a top view frame by setting an arc. Now we have to draw the front view. The pink color two surfaces which are in rectangular in geometrical shape of a length 20 millimeter and height 15 millimeter we have to draw as shown in the video. Thus the two views are drawn here. Now we have to draw the middle portion rectangle which lies between these two. Now we have to draw this shape of which height is a 30 millimeter and length is a 40 millimeter, and this line is an inclined line joining the 2 points in this way. Now we have to draw the top view. For this, draw the projections from front view. Now consider this pink color surface to draw in top view, of which the length is a 40 millimeter and its width is a respective dimension. Now draw the surface which is a sloping surface which observes in top view as well as it can be observed in side view also. Now consider this C surface. Trace out its all dimension basically in terms of width and length. Now we have to draw side view. For side view, consider this color surface of which width is 15 millimeter and height is 15 millimeter. Draw the projections from top view which will help to locate the views which can be observed in side view. Now consider this rectangle of a width of 50 and height 15 millimeter. Now we have to draw this sloping surface which already we have drawn in top view. It can also observed in side view also. By projections from front view as well as top view, we can easily draw this surface. Now consider the surface which is not visible in left hand side view is shown by taking the respective dimensions or taking the help of respective projections represented by a dotted line. Now give the dimensions. Try to minimum dimension without repetition. Draw the extension line properly. Place the vertical dimension line. Show the arrow properly. And place the dimensions middle of this dimension line and to the left side, so that we can read it from right side, as we are adopting the align dimension system of dimensions. Now here we are going to show the height of this portion, which is of 15 millimeter. The length of this portion, placing the dimension of 40 millimeter at the middle of a dimension line. Height of this portion, which is a 30 millimeter. Here we are drawing reference axis XY, which is a position middle of the front view and top view. Drawing another reference axis X1 Y1, which is at the located middle. For construction and projection line, use 2H pencil because it is very faint. And for visible outline, hidden and center line, use H pencil. Maintain the proper line work. Horizontal dimensions must be placed above dimension line. Vertical dimensions must be placed to the left side, readable from right side.